Artificial intelligence, AI, has become a transformative force across industries, revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact. In the financial realm, AI tools offer unprecedented opportunities for individuals and businesses to capitalize on data-driven insights, optimize processes, and generate substantial profits. In today's video, we will be showing you how to make money using AI tools in 2023. Without further ado, let's begin. Automated trading and algorithmic strategies. AI-powered trading algorithms have gained significant traction in recent years, enabling individuals to generate profits from the financial markets. These algorithms leverage machine learning and predictive analytics to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and execute trades with speed and precision. By utilizing AI tools, individuals can develop or employ sophisticated algorithmic trading strategies that capitalize on market inefficiencies, automate trading decisions, and potentially generate substantial returns. Robo-advisors and wealth management. AI-driven robo-advisors have disrupted traditional wealth management models, making investing accessible and affordable for a broader range of individuals. These digital platforms utilize AI algorithms to analyze investors' goals, risk tolerance, and market trends, providing personalized investment recommendations and portfolio management. By leveraging robo-advisors, individuals can grow their wealth through diversified portfolios, optimized asset allocation, and cost-effective investment strategies, all while minimizing human bias and emotion. Fraud detection and risk management. AI tools have significantly bolstered fraud detection and risk management capabilities within the financial sector. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast volumes of transactional data, identify suspicious patterns, and flag potential fraudulent activities in real time. By utilizing AI-driven fraud detection systems, individuals can protect their assets and investments, minimize financial losses, and ensure a secure financial environment. Chatbots and customer service. AI-powered chatbots have transformed customer service in the financial industry. These intelligent virtual assistants can handle customer inquiries, provide personalized recommendations, and facilitate transactions, all while delivering a seamless user experience. Predictive analytics and market insights. AI-powered predictive analytics models have the capacity to extract valuable insights from vast amounts of financial data. By leveraging historical data, market trends, and relevant indicators, individuals can make informed investment decisions, identify emerging opportunities, and mitigate risks. Natural language processing and sentiment analysis. The ability of AI tools to analyze and understand human language has revolutionized sentiment analysis in finance. By leveraging natural language processing algorithms, individuals can monitor social media platforms, news articles, and financial reports to gauge market sentiment and public opinion. This real-time analysis allows individuals to make data-driven decisions, adjust investment strategies, and potentially capitalize on market sentiment shifts, ultimately impacting profitability. Personalized financial services and product recommendations. AI algorithms can process vast amounts of customer data, enabling businesses to offer personalized financial services and product recommendations. By leveraging AI tools, individuals can receive tailored financial advice, customized insurance packages, or targeted investment opportunities that align with their specific needs and preferences. This personalized approach enhances customer engagement, builds trust, and potentially leads to increased revenue and customer loyalty. Data analytics and business intelligence. The power of AI in data analytics and business intelligence is undeniable. AI tools can efficiently process and analyze large data sets, identifying patterns, trends, and correlations that humans may overlook. By utilizing AI-driven data analytics, individuals can gain deeper insights into market dynamics, customer behavior, and operational efficiency. This valuable information can inform strategic decision-making, optimize business processes, and drive revenue growth. AI-powered risk assessment and underwriting. The insurance industry has embraced AI tools to enhance risk assessment and underwriting processes. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, including historical claims, customer profiles, and external factors, to assess risk accurately. By leveraging AI-powered risk assessment tools, insurance companies can streamline underwriting processes, improve accuracy, and optimize pricing strategies. Individuals can capitalize on this by securing tailored insurance coverage at competitive rates, ultimately saving money and mitigating financial risks. Data security and cybersecurity. With the increasing reliance on digital platforms and online transactions, data security and cybersecurity have become paramount concerns. AI tools can bolster security measures by identifying potential vulnerabilities, detecting anomalies, and proactively mitigating cyber threats. By implementing AI-driven cybersecurity solutions, individuals can protect their sensitive financial information, safeguard their assets, and avoid potentially costly security breaches. AI-enhanced credit scoring and lending. Traditional credit scoring models often rely on limited data points, leading to incomplete assessments of borrowers' creditworthiness. AI tools, on the other hand, can leverage alternative data sources and machine learning algorithms to create more comprehensive credit scoring models. By analyzing a broader range of data, such as social media activity, transaction history, and even psychometric data, AI-driven credit scoring systems can provide more accurate risk assessments. AI-driven market research and consumer insights. Market research plays a critical role in understanding consumer behavior, identifying trends, and uncovering untapped market segments. AI tools can expedite the market research process by analyzing vast amounts of data, including customer preferences, purchase history, and online interactions. By leveraging AI-driven market research and consumer insights, individuals can identify niche markets, develop targeted marketing strategies, and tailor products or services to meet specific consumer demands. AI-powered automated content creation. Content creation is a vital component of marketing and branding strategies, but it can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. AI tools, equipped with natural language processing and generation capabilities, can automate content creation processes. By analyzing existing content, user preferences, and industry trends, AI algorithms can generate high-quality blog posts, social media content, product descriptions, and even news articles. In 2023, AI tools present immense opportunities for individuals to make money in the financial landscape. From automated trading and robo-advisors to fraud detection and personalized financial services, the applications of AI in finance are diverse and far-reaching. By harnessing the power of AI-driven technologies, individuals can optimize investment strategies, streamline operations, make data-driven decisions, and ultimately generate substantial profits. However, it is essential to approach AI implementation with caution, considering regulatory frameworks, ethical considerations, and the need for continuous learning and adaptation in an ever-evolving landscape. With proper knowledge and strategic utilization, individuals can unlock the financial potential offered by AI tools in 2023 and beyond. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.